Richard Radke here with Multiple Income Funnel. Is a super funnel. So let me give you the information. So be sure to watch the video all the way to the end. So if you start here, you're going to, okay, first of all the links, you get all these links with the system. And each link is attached to a capture page. And I use more than one depending where I'm sending them. Then you go back into the system again, and they got all kind of training. First of all, you got your weekly training. Then you got your marketing system training. If you take a look at that, look at all the training you get how to be a better marketer. So that is worthwhile watching. And you go back into the system again, and you got some more training. And you got your 7-step training. Lesson 1, basically what it means is work on your personality. And then you got lesson 2, which shows you how and where to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 7 shows you how to do YouTube. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. Lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this. And then lesson 7, there's a bunch more bonuses in there that you want to take a look at. And you go back in again. And then you see, if you look there, you'll see who all the teams are, who your teams are. And then if you go here, you'll see all the leads you get once you start advertising, and you get an email with each lead. So be sure to use those emails to follow up with them. I follow up with mine all the time. The company follows up too, but they want to hear from you. So be sure and follow up. And if you go to the leaderboard, it shows you who all the leaders are on the board. Then you got a resource board, which is basically, it's a sample of emails you can use to do follow-up, but you can use those or you can use your own. But whatever you do, make sure you do some follow-up because they want to hear from you, not just the company. Then you got your business. It shows you all the business you got if you click on that. Then you got a bonus income stream. Okay, now let's say I want more information. Okay, you go here to get started. And here you go here, and Matt will give you some information about the opportunity itself. Then you got step 2 and step 3, which you can put your own system, own opportunities in there. And if you don't have any, you can use the ones I got. They're both great opportunities. Then you got step 4, which is traffic authority. They've been in business for over 10 years. They've got some awfully good leads. They also do training. Let's see what else. Then okay, let's say now you like all those ideas. Also, let's say you want to get started. Well, you go to step 1. Right now they have a special on. It's usually $97, but right now they have it for $49. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a $20 commission. They also have a yearly plan available, which is great because that costs you $350. But if you get somebody in under that, you make a $200 commission, and you don't have to worry about it for the whole year. And you do save some money going that way. Then you got step 2 and 3, which is I was telling you, if you don't have your own, you can use the ones I'm using and take a look at them. They're each under $10, and they're both great opportunities. Then you got step 4, traffic authority, which is free to join, and it depends how many leads you buy. The more leads you buy, the cheaper to get per lead. So it's entirely up to you. You can use them or you can use a different system for getting your leads. It's all entirely up to you. Okay, now let's say that you like all that and you want to get started. Well, I just showed you how to do all that. So then you go there and you get started. And I'm a little mixed up here today. Oh, I forgot to show you my bonus income. I also use this one to get leads because it's a real great system. It costs you $1 a day for 100 leads, and then you get, at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And if you bring somebody in under that, then you get an extra 100 leads. So at the end of the month, you have 6,000 leads, and you get a mailing system, which is included, all included with that system. So that is really a terrific system for the price. So be sure and check that out if you're going here. Okay, let's see. Now I showed you how to get started. I think that's about all I'm going to tell you today. So give my video a like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you another time. Bye for now.